One of the most important parts of the body that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has bestowed upon us or given us is actually the mind. Many times in the Quran, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala speaks about the mind and the heart, and He connects the two. And sometimes He speaks about understanding. The understanding is from the combination of the heart and the mind. Sometimes we know the right thing, but our heart is telling us something else, and the mind is saying something else. In this confusion, a believer is always guided by revelation. And no matter what, we should always go back to divine guidance. Seek from Allah, ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and Allah is the one who will bless us in every way.
Gini-gini.